Judge Nancy B. Firestone's Tuesday ruling cited river management changes initiated by the Corps of Engineers starting in 2004 that led to the flooding. The cost of the damage is estimated at over $300 million in 4 states, including Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, and Iowa. The Corps manages the Missouri River's system of locks and dams and decides when and how much water is released from reservoirs into the river. The lawsuit, filed in 2014, contended the Corps unconstitutionally deprived people of their land, essentially taking it without compensation. Another trial will start in October to determine how much money the lawsuit's 372 plaintiffs will receive. Todd Sauter, KTRS News.